Hello and welcome to Osato's Acknowledge Base. In this video, we learn how can to sign in to the control panel Cpanel. For starts, you must type your domain and then type to this and set the port of the control panel of Cpanel. It's 2083. Type this. Any your domain name, and type the 2083. Okay. After the type your domain and press the enter, you can see the redirect to your server of your website. Okay, now type your username and password. Okay, now press to login. Don't save. And okay, you can see the control panel. Everything, you can see it. Okay, at the next video we teach how can use the file manager or file part. Have a great time.